Hey guys, in this video we are comparing Bybit and BingX to find out which platform is better for crypto leverage trading. Both exchanges were launched in 2018 and have built strong reputations among traders. Bybit offers a larger selection of trading pairs, making it a great choice for those who want access to more altcoins and trading opportunities. BingX, however, stands out with more flexible KYC requirements, which may appeal to users who prefer greater privacy. When it comes to trading features, both platforms provide leverage trading, advanced order types, take profit, and stop loss tools, and user friendly trading interfaces. Bybit is known for its professional grade trading experience, while BingX focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it especially attractive for beginners. In terms of fees, the differences are small, but BingX has a slight advantage with lower taker fees and cheaper Bitcoin withdrawals in many cases. Both exchanges also offer generous sign-up bonuses and demo trading features, allowing users to test the platforms before trading with real funds. Overall, Bybit is an excellent choice for traders who want more market and advanced tool, while BingX is ideal for those looking for a simple interface, flexible verification requirements, and competitive fees. The best platform ultimately depends on your personal trading style and preferences. Thanks for watching.